In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create credit notes in Zoho Invoice. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is log into your Zoho Books account. Once you're logged in, you'll be automatically directed to your dashboard, which provides an overview of your financial activities. Now let's focus our attention on the left-hand side of your screen. Here you'll see a series of options that allow you to access different features within Zoho. Locate the option labeled Sales on this menu. Clicking on Sales will trigger a drop-down menu to appear. This menu is packed with functions related to the sales processes in your business, including credit notes. Now scroll down to the bottom of the Sales drop-down menu where you'll find Credit Notes. Click on it. Once you're in the Credit Notes section, you'll see an option to either create a new credit note or click on New, located at the top right of the page. Go ahead and select one of these options, and you'll be led to a new page dedicated to the creation of your credit note. On this new credit note page, you'll be required to fill out several essential pieces of information. Start by choosing the customer for whom the credit note is being issued. If this is a repeat customer, you can simply select them from your existing list. However, if you need to issue a credit note to a new customer, you'll find an option to add their details right there on the page. After assigning the customer, you'll need to fill out the credit note number. This acts as an identifier for your records, so choose a numbering system that makes sense for your business. Following this, enter the date the credit note is being issued. This is crucial for your accounting and ensures that your financial records and timelines remain accurate. Don't forget to fill in any additional details that are requested on this page. These details ensure the credit note is comprehensive and tailored to the needs of the transaction. This might include reasons for the credit being issued or any specific terms related to it. Once you've double-checked that all necessary fields have been completed and everything looks good, it's time to send the credit note. Sending it is straightforward, and once dispatched, your credit note is officially recorded and sent to the appropriate customer. And there you have it. That's how to create a credit note in Zoho Invoice. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video, leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.